Let's learn how to fix Instagram notes like option not showing. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device if you want, because method is same for all phones. First, how this should look for example, as you can see, this is Instagram note, and at the end, near this ticker icon, you have a like button. If you don't have this, it's most probably because you didn't update your Instagram application. So to do that, you will just have to go to App Store, click on search and search for Instagram. And if you didn't update, this open button should say update, blue button, and click it. What else you can do is to go to your settings, find your application, Instagram, on storage, and offload the application to restart it. If you still don't have this, it may be because your region, your country didn't get this update. So you'll just have to wait until your country gets update, or you'll just have to change the country. We already recorded that video, so thanks for